Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you a very simple way to fix the you do not have permission to view this page error in custom VCDial. First open Kingastic website, then click on live demo. I will put the live demo link in the description below. After opening the live demo, you will see 10 different themes. You can use any theme you like. For example, I am using theme 5. The ID and password are already provided, so simply log in. After login, the admin menu will open. Now for example, I go to reports. You can see the message you do not have permission to view this page. If I go to list, I get the same error there as well. Now let's solve this problem. First go to the user, then click on edit. After that go to agent interface option. Here you can see that view reports permission is set to 0. I will change it to 1. Also modify list permission is set to 0, so I will change it that to 1 as well. Remember 0 means permission is disabled, so you cannot view the page. 1 means permission is enabled, so you can access that page. Now I have changed both permission to 1. Click submit. Now let's go back to report. You can see it has been opened successfully, and if it open list, it also working correctly now. That's it. This is a very simple way to fix the you do not have permission to view this page error in custom VCDial. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more VCDial tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.